In this video, I'll show you how to connect KuCoin with Google Authenticator and turn on 2FA for your account. First, install Google Authenticator on your phone from the App Store or Google Play and open it once to make sure it's ready. Now open the KuCoin app and log in. Tap your profile icon in the top left or top right, then go to Account Security or Security Settings. Here, find Google Verification and tap Setup, Configure, or Bind. KuCoin will ask for a quick security check, usually your login password and a code sent by email or SMS. Enter those, then you'll see a QR code and a security key. Write that key down and store it safely as a backup. Next, open Google Authenticator, tap the plus button, and either scan the QR code on KuCoin or enter the key manually. It will start generating a 6-digit code. Go back to KuCoin, type that 6-digit Google code into the Google verification code box, and tap Submit or Activate. Your KuCoin account is now protected with Google Authenticator 2FA. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.